If somebody will ask you, you take log x is equal to understood? So when you are starting log x is equal to 3, so it will become 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. Okay, so dx is equal to dx. So this part will become log cos t by x into dt into x. So this will get cancelled. Cos t will become sin t plus t. And this part will become sin of log x plus 1. So some questions are there starting from the beginning sections so that you people will be able to solve the questions. Come on, start doing the work, please. Can we start the class, please? Seriously, I'm in every level panic mode today. Can you start, please? I sent the link in the group. Please kindly check. Shall we start the work, please? My hands are shaking. Hey, monkey. Can we start the work, please? Now look at it. So this is one type of question. Now I'm starting means I'm not going to stop. Now next question is, hey, listen. Huh? What is the solution? See, in integration, whenever you are, Kushmika, good evening, Beta. I'm going to start teaching Kushmika. Today, a little bit problem was there, system problem was there. So it got delayed, everybody. Please see, in integration, definite integrals, one more time, formulas are there. Understood not? So based, you do nothing. You talk to him only, he will teach you. Will you do your work, Praveen, Rohit? Understood, Vishwa. Because I am not going to be damaged. The person who is going to be damaged is you people only. So be very careful. So now we have first property, whatever is the theorem for definite integral and indefinite integrals, first you go with the formula. Once the formula you are knowing, the next important work is the solving sections. Understood not? So we know some formulas, like if somebody will write 0 to a f of x dx will become what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is what you need to do and check. Did you understood this one? So this is the way to solve the question and this is the way to write the formula. Huh? So now there are different formulas what we are going to use and what we are going to use and solve the question. So I am giving you first question. Please kindly solve this question now. See, this is first testing question. Are you able to solve the question or not? Got it? The first question is, note down, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus cos x plus sin x dx. Come on, people. Try this question now. This is based on the formula what I have taught you. So please kindly do it. Come on. Do it here. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Don't look into my face. Nothing will be there. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, only your side. I will not be able to do anything. Everything you only people. So please kindly solve as fast as possible. No, sir. Aye. What? Seriously, I want to see the steps. Come on, check this. Hey, only one simple question I have given. One simple question I have given. I is equal to a. Formula is what? 0 to a f of x dx. So that formula based question I told you now, given 0 to a f of x dx is there, it will become 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this formula only you need to use. So when you are using this formula, actually what you are going to do, come on check this one now. So here it is coming as I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos of, this one you take it as equation 1. So cos of pi by 2 minus x by 1 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x plus sine of pi by 2 minus x. You know, the cos and sine are complementary. So cos and sine are complementary. So since cos and sine are complementary, what will happen? So here I will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. Cos will become sine. Here it will become sine x. Correct? If you people will not solve, seriously, I'll punch you all. Seriously, okay, one thing is very big missing, but you people are not telling me. Fine, I am solving. So 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. Still some things are missing. Come on, say. But when all things are missing, you only people have to say. I gave you the conclusion. I gave you everything. From here, how you are going to leave? Say, because I got sin x, I got cos x, I'm going to add both of them together. It will become 2y. What it will become? 2y. So it will become 2y is equal to 0 pi by 2 sin x plus cos x by 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. Still, you know, to cancel, one is missing. Can you check? One is missing and one is not there. So since one is not there, what are we going to do? Y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. If one is missing, means we can't solve. We will do only convert. We will add y. So 1 plus sin x plus cos x minus 1. I added 1 on its own and I subtracted also. So is it going to impact us? We are going to check the impact level. Okay. So okay. It is coming as 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. First we will separate it. Then only we will be able to solve. So it is coming as 0 to pi by 2. 1 plus sin x plus cos x by 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. Now we are minus, then it is coming pi by 2 to 0. 1 plus sin x plus cos x by, sorry, it is coming as minus 1, so 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x dx. But this is not so simple question. First, what you are thinking now, that you will be able to have access in these type of questions. It will not be solved easily because these questions are based on property. So whenever property these questions are there, means we need to solve it. So here this and this got cancelled. Understood? But here still that monster is there. What is that monster? 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Now sin is a different trigonometric ratio. Cos is a different trigonometric ratio. Any idea you people are having how to solve that? Say. Say Rohit. Any idea? Subtract whom? Subtract whom for what? Nothing, ma'am. I can understand nothing. Nothing is there. I am also knowing. The question is having a format to solve. See, first look here. 2y is equal to, relax up. See, you should have one idea how to solve the question. What should be the idea first? Any idea you are having after this how you are going to proceed? Till here I proceeded. I got at least one conclusion. After that who is going to solve it? Come on, say. Okay. Pushpita, are you there in the group? I told you in all the basic students. Inform me. After class you will inform. I asked you two things. Sin x, cos x is there. I am not in that group. With due respect, I am not coming in any group because after that I am coming in trouble. 0 to 5 by 2. Hey, sin x, cos x. Any conclusion how to solve it? Say. So now look here, we'll do one by. We'll do one simple word, one by. Still I am asking, any other conclusion to convert sine, cos, any big word, small word, any word to do? No, na? Blank, na? After that examination over, board exam over. Understood? Now look here, there is one format and that formula is tan. You need to convert everything into tan. You need to convert everything into tan format. Come on, check this one out. So once you have brought the listen, then it will become 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Can I do like this? With your due permission, can I do like this? Sir, I didn't told you to talk full. I told you do your job. Excuse me. Finish it. Now look here. So when you are solving this question, there are certain limitations. Hey, see, here this part so we know we can assess. Correct now? This section is getting assessed. What is the assessment of this question? How can we assess it? This will become x pi by 2 to 0. Now here, what we will do? 0 to pi by 2. Look at the 1 plus tan square x will go up now. I didn't crack any joke here. So now look at it. This is coming as total it is coming dx is there. So this will go and multiply. It will be dx by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2. But denominator part is coming as 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is exactly coming. After that, patience is needed to solve this question. Qi is equal to, this is coming as 5 by 2 minus 0. This is slowly over. Minus, this part will go up. It is coming as 5 by 2, 0. It will become 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. It will become secant square x by 2. This and this will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 will become 2 plus 2 tan x by 2. Come on, do it. From here, can you take the lead, please? From here, can you take the lead and solve? For that, Srivatsan. Now, voice is audible. Now, but tan x is equal to tan x by 2 is equal to t. Now, look at it. Till here, it is coming. Shakti, please add. Now look here, 2y is equal to 5 by 2 minus, beta 2y can take common, it will become 1 by 2. Once you are taking 1 by 2, it is coming as 1 by 2, it is coming as 0 to 5 by 2. Secant square x by 2, 1 plus tan x by 2 dx. Can you take tan x by 2? 1 plus tan x by 2 is equal to d. Hey, say first. So 1 plus tan x by 2, what we are going to do? 1 plus tan x by 2 if we are solving. What it will become? 2I is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This section only we are taking. Understood now? So we will not write this one because what is the need of writing if we have not solved this section? Correct now? So we need to solve this section. How we are going to solve this section? We will say let 1 plus tan x by 2 is equal to t. Understood? So since it is a definite integral, good evening Sarna, sorry, Sarma. So now look here, it is coming as secant square. Tan x by 2 differentiation is? Tan x by 2 differentiation is? Secant square x by 2. After that anything will be there? Nothing, huh? Hey, see, look here, you people have forgotten. See, listen, 1 plus tan x by 2, chain rule, yeah, chain rule. What is the chain rule? 1 differentiation will become 0. Now chain rule how you are going to apply, suppose tan dx by 2, here it will become dx by 2 into dx by 2 dx is equal to dt by dx. So that tan x by 2 will become what? Secant square x by 2. And x by 2 differentiation is coming as 1 by 2 is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by what? Secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 outside. Okay, because this 1 by 2 will go up. Understood? It will become 2 secant square x by 2. But since it's a definite integral, this and this will also get affected. Because see, in definite integral, when lower limit and upper limit is changing. Yes, Pushpika, that's the answer. Fine. Understood now. So here, what we are going to do is, so lower limit value is what? What is the lower limit value? 0. So we are going to substitute 0 here. What you are getting? Tan 0 is what? Tan 0 is tan 0. Very good. Super. Board exam is for me, na? Nice. Tan 0 value. Tan 0 value. Tan 0 value, sir. Tan 0 value is 1. Super. Beta, this year ना हो पाएगा. Not possible for you. Beta, next year try. Seriously, tan 0 value is 0. This year not possible. Try next year. This is the only thing. Understood? So here, what is this here? Tan 0 value is 0. So here first word is when you are substituting tan 0 here, what it will become? 1 plus tan 0 by 2 is equal to t. So this part will become 0, so t is coming as 1. Understood? Now when you are putting, because upper limit value is what? Pi by 2. So here 1 plus tan pi by 2 by 2. It will become pi by 4 is equal to t. And tan pi by 4 value? Tan pi by 4 value. Tan pi by 4 value. Tan pi by 4 value 1. Thank you. So 2 is equal to t. So that means what? Lower limit, upper limit, the full story changes. Understood? Now the full story is like this. First the story was different, now the story is different. Now what is the story? We are going to rewrite the story. 2i is equal to 5 by 2 minus 8. 1 by 2. Here it will become lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. Secant square x by 2. And here what we have taken? The entire we have taken as t into. Now this part secant differentiation 2 will go up to dt by secant square x by 2. This is the story over. So now final layout what we are going to generate. Check this one out. So 2i is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This 2 is coming out. Now it is coming as 1 by t dt 1 to 2. This is story over. So this is equal to 5 by 2 minus. This one will become log t. And the value is starting from 2 to 1. Understood? Some very intelligent fellows they are putting constant there. Constant will not come in differentiation. So it is coming this minus log 2 minus log 1. Yeah? So log 1 value is 0. So I is equal to 5 by 4 minus log 2 by, that's it. Understood. So I hope you might have understood. Sound is not coming for you. What type sound you want? Everyone, am I audible, please? Come on, say. Huh? Yeah, I'll slow down. Is it done? Am I audible? At least say yes or no. That's the only answer. If I'm audible, means say you are. I'm audible. Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you. I hope you might have understood. We'll go for the next question. See, one question like this $1,000,000 questions are coming in story over for me and you. So please kindly do it nicely. Pushpika, is it done? Yeah. So I think this one done or not? Noted. We converted, we solved. Now we are going to go for the next section. So that was a very untitled question, just for few sake we have exactly done. Okay, fine. Now we are going to solve the next question, get ready for it. The question is, see, easy question I'm starting with. This question came in CBSE 2023. Shakti, first note on this type of question. Because first you need to have assessed with this type of question. I told you, log 1 plus x by question, by 1 plus x square question will come. So like this format question is coming, means we need to solve this question. I'm very talented. Seriously, I am power. This much Tamil I learned. I am power. What is power? I am power. Bechari. Male cannot be bechari. Male can be bechara. Understood? Okay, fine. Wait, please. Hey, see, tomorrow if you will not study, day after tomorrow you will be bail for your only. Come on, done now? Ravi, finished? Right? Over. Now, okay, we will go for the next question. So only I am telling you, tomorrow if you will not do the exams properly, day after tomorrow you will be bail for your only. 0 by 5, you need to remember everything. Today, night don't sleep. Come on. Solve this question. Huh? I see. Hey, Shakti, after that, your father will make you statue. And you know what? Mahabalipuram, I can only imagine one thing. After your maths exam, na, oh, your statue will be in Mahabalipuram, na, elephants are there, na, from the elephant. That your parents will do that. Your father can do that. Hey, what? Do you have over? 2 minutes. Enough. Let's do it. At least see. At least study and fail. See, I don't want to take this risk. I will retire tomorrow from lessons. I say I don't know who these students are. I never taught this. Teach me separate. I will not. Hey, come on, do that, please. Start solving. See, try this question out first. Another one more formula is there now. What is the formula? One more formula, we know that given 0 to 2a, f of x dx is there. It will become what? 0 to a, f of x plus f of 2a minus x dx. This is exactly the formula. This is another formula format. Please kindly remember this and start solving the question. Shall we do that? Can I solve or do you want to try? See, if you are trying means I will wait. If you are not trying means I will solve. Okay, fine. At least waste of time will not be there. So now look here. This is exactly the question. We will take this as equation 1. Understood? Now our first formula 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We use this, understood now? So now voice is not clear. You people are telling voice is clear or not? Check one time. So now look here. Because so many problems were there, net problem was there. Now look here. 0 to pi. Here it will become what? Pi minus x. Wherever x is there, now it will become pi minus x. Now here 1 plus sine of pi minus x dx. Done. Now this one will become equation number 2. Adding, what happened? Adding equation, one time check please, now voice is okay. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So it will become what it is? 2i is equal to 0 to pi x plus pi minus x by 1 plus sin x dx. So this and this will get cancelled. Now at least pi will come out. Understand? So once pi will be coming out, this formula I told you, basic, because see, upper interval is also one of the most important things. Lower limit and upper limit. The upper limit is where pi, and pi is going to play problem because sine 0 is 0 and sine pi is also 0. So 100% lower limit and upper limit when solving will give you the same answer. So we need to convert pi as pi by 2, and we have some formulas. Some formulas are there, some values are there which we need to, some property we can use. Correct? So now look here. What next we are going to do here is, after this we will do one small work, and that small work is 2i is equal to pi a now. We will write directly here 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. First work is 0 to pi by 2. This part will become f of x now. So directly this section we will write 1 by 1 plus sin x plus 1 by 1 plus sine pi minus x. But beta one thing happened, and that one thing is that here and here you see that an upper limit got converted into pi by 2. Understood? That was the upper trick which we wanted to convert. So now this part is coming as, see, sine of pi minus x will become sine x only. So here it will become pi 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 1 plus sin x. From here it is coming. Another one 1 by 1 plus sin x only will come. 1 by 1 plus sin x only is coming, and that is dx. So look at it. It is coming as 2 pi because the same amplitude 2 will come out. Huh? 0 to pi by 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Done. So now this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. So till here we are exactly having answers with the question. But right now, after this, what you will do? 1 plus cosecant x. You can use solve it and show. After this, what is your next strategy? I want to know. Because you must be thinking of some strategy, now that this and that you can do that. So think about the strategy and tell me. 1 minus sin x, you need to factorize it. You want to factorize it. You can see from here now, multiple steps will come. Sin x you can convert it into tan also. Correct now? Like previous question, what we have done? We have converted sin as tan. That is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. That we have done, tan square x by 2. That formula also you can do, or you can do one more work is, and that is rationalization. Can we go for it? Try. See, until and unless you will not try, you will not be able to come out with answer. I think 3-4 more questions will be there. We can be able to solve. Check. Will we be able to see? If I don't have any answers, I want to save my time. I will do one small work because another work is tan and this comes. Yes, I will do one work. Can I do? Here it is coming as 1 by 1 plus sin x. So I do rationalization. So let's say that this we are taking rationalization. 1 minus sin x dx. This is exactly the part of rationalization. We don't know. We are actually not sure about it. Correct enough? So we do rationalization. After taking rationalization, we can take risk. No? So rationalization, because sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 means we gain something. Correct? But rationalization is a big risk for us. Correct? We don't know after this what we get. So I is equal to, let's check, I is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2. It will become 1 minus sin x, but denominator part will become what? A plus b, a minus b will be 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x dx. So 1 minus sin square x dx will give you what better? Cos square x. So it is coming as 0 to pi by 2, 1 by cos square x. One step I ate one step. That is writing as see 1 minus sin square x is written as cos square x. Okay, so this step I ate, but I wrote there. Okay, so 1 by cos here minus sin x. It is coming as sin x by cos square x dx. Come on. After this, what is the strategy and how we are going to implement everything? We don't know, no idea. 2 was there, 2 and 2 got cancelled. Nothing is there in our hand now. So it is coming as 0 to pi by 2. Secant square x in bracket because we have split it. So now you get dx minus 0 to pi by 2 tan x into secant x dx. Come on. Now say what we can do. Till here everything is looking okay, no trouble in. Secant square x is tan x. Secant square x is tan x, and it is coming as pi by 2 to 0. So we will do one thing. Tan x is coming as pi by 2 to 0. Minus tan x, secant x will become secant x, upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is 0. After this big problem is coming in, check tan x is coming, secant x pi by 2. Now what next you are going to do? Check and say. See, if you will subtract, put here, infinity will come. Infinity will come. And that time you will be thinking like, okay, this step we have taken is totally insane step, this thing, that thing, you start cursing yourself. Don't curse yourself. Just do one small one. There 2 pi. I and pi is there now. So see, see taking tan x by 2, going to that part, disturbing yourself. So this was the safest mode. After coming here, problem is tan pi by 2 is infinity. What we can do, correct? No? So we will do only one more. Tan is having one more better formula, and that is pi by 2. Where it is coming as sin x by cos x minus 1 by cos x pi by 2 into 0. Do you remember this? Just now we did like that. Again, we are going to bring into that part because see, once why I am telling you because the tan x by 2 was our pure short answer. What if in examination, rather than taking sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, we did rationalization. After that, what? We will sit in the examination and wait for God to come and solve our question. No, we are not going to do that. We are going to solve it and we are going to bring the answer. So 1 minus sin x by sin x minus 1 by cos x. After that, what we will do? Better? Because see, steps has been taken. We cannot cancel it. Correct? No? That was challenge. Before that, we have already solved with the help of tan x by 2. So we did not use it. Now steps already taken. We cannot bring it back. Now final only. We don't have time in examination to do something another nonsense. Correct? No? So can we do one thing? Can I write sin x plus 1 because from there we started creating problem from ourselves for ourselves. There only solution will come, and the solution is when we are going to do something unwanted. Here, this is exactly the risk we have taken. Now this risk is going to bring any solution or not? See, it will become what? Minus 1 minus sin square x by cos x, and there it is coming as sin x plus 1. Let's check any different type of problem in this. We should be ready to solve because in examination we cannot step back. That is not possible. So minus cos square x by cos x 1 plus sin x, and this is our victory moment. You know what? We got the answer. Now nobody can create problem for us because we got the clear cut answer. You know what? Now from here, if somebody will say that okay, we will not be able to solve, we say that it is the end of the question. Why? Because see here, one time you put pi by 2, it will become minus cos pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 by 1 plus sin pi there, sin 1 plus sin x is there, so it will become sin pi by 2. Minus into minus will become plus cos 0. And here 1 plus sin pi by, sin 0. And that's the thing we had to solve. I is equal to pi. This part is 0 means entire slot over 1 plus 2 sin pi by 2. And here it is 1. So our main content is pi in as answer. That's it. I hope you might have understood. So in examination, now the biggest problem is once we think first emotionally, like we know the steps, so we will proceed. After taking the step in middle, you know what students are doing. They are doing only one problem. After taking the step, they want to step back, and the step back thinking is very dangerous. Are you understanding? After this now, if anybody might not be knowing now, they might have put a big cut, and then you might have bent down, and then you might have taken sin x is equal to 2 x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 because that is known field, correct now? But what if you have taken this risk? After this risk also you can be able to solve it. Understood? The way you have rationalized in the beginning, same way you are going to rationalize again and then you are going to solve. I hope you might have understood this one. Huh? When class is going to be over by 9 o'clock. I started late. I know how to do my work. Okay, you can continue talking. If your talking is over, then I start again. I have no problem. Did you understood? So where was the turning point of the question? As a mathematician, you must know that where and all twists and turns you have used. So whenever you are solving any question, the question should not command you. You should command the question. Understood? Then you will control your mathematics. First is this formula. X was there, removal of X. That was our first target. We removed X, we got this one. Understood? After getting this, that means 2y a over here. If you are not comfortable, means go home and then you prepare on your own. Now this you got. After this, our next strategy was pi by 2 problem. Understood not? Pi problem. Because lower limit and upper limit both were giving same value. Correct? So that was our another challenge. How to meet our challenge? By using one formula. What was the formula we used? 0 to 2a f of x. So here, which formula we use? Road maps. Every single question, you must have a road map. A target must have been there. That is 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of 2a minus x dx. We use this formula here. Second roadmap done. First, this formula. After that, problem was upper limit. Killing the upper limit, this formula used. Now, nothing has to be done. So, from here, two ways. After the two ways, either rationalize. Understood. And second one, take sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So that was the two steps. Usually what if the students are doing that? Okay, fine, this means we're doing upper limit change in solving the question. But what if in examination we took the decision of rationalization? Understood? Because previously I solved by taking tan x by 2. Correct? Now? So we did like this. After rationalizing, after that regret should not be there. Okay, fine, we got stuck. We did not got stuck till here. A. We did not got stuck till here. Where we got stuck? After solving when value came tan x minus secant x. That time upper limit value is coming as pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 is coming as what? Right? Say tan pi by 2 value. Tan pi by 2. What is the value of tan pi by 2? Thank you, Peter. What is the value of tan pi by 2? Tan pi by 2 value say. Tan pi by 4. Beta come first 10th class, after 11th class, after 12th class, and then write board exam. So next year possible. Now please, tan pi by 2 value is infinity. Understood? So infinity का means the full storyline got damaged. So how to do it again? We did one thing, we converted tan and secant and sin and cos, rationalized it, substituted, answer came as pi. That's the end of the question. I hope you might have understood this one. So slowly, question should not command you. You should command your steps. Are you understanding? The day maths will start commanding you means your story over. You will not be able to solve. So you should be ready to command mathematics. That's the most important thing. So two things always happens. Either you will command or mathematics will command. Is it done? Is net okay coming? Let me check one time. Because I connected with my mobile. I connected with my mobile. Is it coming correct? Network is okay. Okay, fine. We'll go for next question. Are you ready for the next question, please? Okay. One question we are going to solve. Please check this one out. I'm moving. Solve. Right. See, modulus related questions, some typical questions we will solve so that we will have understanding. Okay, modulus. Last class, last exam on modulus related question I have given. I know that many of you have not done that. The level of confidence you see. I am here. He is doing like this. Yes, I am accepting amnesty. Here also not there. That I will show. Correct, man. Tomorrow you see, I have one big stick from my bag now. One big stick tomorrow. Tomorrow I will start class by taking 2-3 students out of class. You're not coming. Then you are mental. My class missing means in example. Okay, one question I have given. Hey, look here. One question I have given. I am explaining that question because most of you did mistake in that question. Okay. Over. Shall I? I am also feeling that tension. Your pre-board exam means I am ready. Come on. Shakti, you remember this. If you will not pass in your examination, next statue will be yours. Mahabalipuram above elephant. Shakti. Around. We may go and give you we will give you Shraddhanjali. What? All people will be all people will be giving you Shraddhanjali, okay? Either you solve this. My statue then you are going to keep? Yes. Near MGR statue. MGR means MGR? What is Go. You do. Ah? Jayalalitha's husband should be with Jayalalitha only, right? Excuse me. Jayalalitha's husband should be with Jayalalitha. Correct? Do you? That is not going to give you relaxation. Solve this question. The way you are proceeding now, after tomorrow, you will have nice experience of mathematics paper. After result will come, people will be seeing you hanging in Mahabalipuram. Your father will be making your statue. Hey, enough, do it first. Time up. Do it. First you say, I don't know. Correct. That's the truth. Accepting truth is better than eat yourself. Hey, enough, please go for it. Vishwa, you are having exam or I am having exam? Okay. If you fail this time, one call. You are going to call. Hey, listen. I is equal to minus 5/2 to 5/2 1 by 1 plus e to the power sin x is a. Enough. Come on, others solve please. Inform you will be late by 9 o'clock you will reach. By 9 o'clock you will start from there. Inform. Now look here. Start solving. I gave you one question, please. More questions are there, sir. If you will do like this means over. Your sister is bringing your amma. You can't inform your sister. By which formula? By this formula. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. At least I sent a roadmap for you. Use it and solve. Because this is the only thing we can do here. You are telling full life story. Only half an hour for that you are telling full story. Come on, solve. Yeah, come. That's it. Thank you for giving your number. I'll call your mother and inform all your activities. Okay, fine. Now call me. No, you can't do anything unwanted. I will inform your parents. Direct your mother. Mother assist. You don't solve it. See, look here. E to the power minus parts. You did biggest mistake, you know. Calling from my home and that your amount. Any time test coming less marks means. You block. LCM, upside A. This will go up. I don't have any other room. I'll call you another day. Already she's knowing now. She's already knowing how much intelligent you are. If I will go and speak, Miss, what is the difference? She knows how you are. See, this will get cancelled. Story over. That's it. See, if you are talking, I will finish your work. This is coming as dx. I is equal to x. Pi by 2 0. So I is equal to pi by that. I just made this. This is the way to solve. Go for it, please. I hope you might have understood this one. Shall we go for the next question? Yes, Pushpika. Answer is 5/8. The answer is absolutely correct. 5/8. Shall we go for next question, please? Next question, sir. Praveen done? Rohit done? We'll go for next question. Huh? Modulus question, can I give one modulus question? Pushpika, will you be able to solve one modulus question, Dina? Ready, everyone? Try this modulus question. Maybe in question, modulus question will come. Today, what was the level of the question? Exam? Moderate. Very tough. How many days we are having? 8. You are also Kiwis are also writing that exam. Oh, Gokulam is writing that exam. Right, please. See, model related question one day like this. We don't know what type questions will come. So try this question. Model related question. 0 to 1 modulus of 5x minus 3. We can write it also. I hope you might have understood. Come on, go for it, please. Sound? I'm not saying anything. Did I say anything? I'm just watching the people solve it. Try, if possible, try. Pushpa, right. I'm watching you. Each single step I'm watching. Hiding notebook is going to save you. After that, I can go there and check. Okay. Come on, try, yaar. I don't know how many students are live right now. All is well, all is well, all is well, all is well. For me, all is well. Excuse me, what did I say? The basics. See, when modulus is there, your first word should be make modulus value equal to 0. Okay. So first make modulus value is equal to 0. When you are making modulus value is equal to 0, that is 5x minus 3 equal to 0, you are getting value of x as 3 by 5. Correct? So 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Shift this one, it will become 3 by 5. Once you are finding the value, x is equal to 3 by 5. Now the split will be there. See, 3 by 5 is less than 1 now. That means now you need to split it as I is equal to 0 to 3 by 5. It is coming as 5x minus 3 minus, and here 3 by 5 to 1, 5x minus 3 plus. Now I am going to ask one question from all of you. Why this minus I have written? From the beginning I am teaching one thing. If you are new students, so you don't know, I'm going to tell you. See, look at the wherever there now modulus will have, see, there will be two values of x. Understood? And it will give you positive value of y. Modulus content is the f of x is equal to when you are writing modulus x. So this is exactly coming equal to y. So whatever value of x you are going to write, that will create or bring a value of y. Correct? No? So when you are writing, listen carefully, when you are writing x equal to minus value, negative value, means when x will be less than 0, means the moment modulus of x, now this part you make it equal to 0. That means the entire range will come from x is equal to 0. One time it will be less than 0, one time it will come greater equals 0. That means modulus will split the entire modulus region, will split into two values. One will be greater than type, one will be less than type. So whenever you will put less than type, the value of x will be negative. Understood? So the region will be considered as negative. Got it? So here you check this one out. Here also see for modulus of x when we can generate that this is so. And somebody will say less than 0. Less than 0 means it will come modulus of x will become minus x when x is less than 0. Same modulus will become plus when x is. So exactly this is not the final layout. They are telling that if for negative value of x, if you are putting inside modulus, you will get a positive value of y. For positive value of x, already you are going to take a positive value of y. Means both the region when you will be moving, you will be getting what? Positive value. Understood not? So here, modulus is exactly always giving us a positive value. But we need to define the region. Now, one region will be less than and another region will be more than. So who is more clever? Presentation has to be pakka. Understood not? So how we can make a pakka presentation? Means as a student, I am not knowing. how to proceed. Means I will solve and come up. But as a topper, how I am going to achieve my target. Because any person who can see my paper, that person must be knowing that I am having the depth of information. Correct? So for depth of information, means I will not write like this. I missed a very big information. As a student, I missed a very big information. And what is the big information I missed? I'm going to first write this one. This value should be in rough. Got it? That value is in rough section. That means the teacher who is correcting your paper is knowing that okay, something that person did. Correct? Now next part. This modulus is equal to minus 5x minus 3 when x is less than 3 by 5. Understood? Not less than 0. No. The limit part is that one. So now here, next part. It will come 5x minus 3 when x is greater equals 3 by 5. That means our both region is nicely defined. And if somebody will be asking, then after this also, if a teacher is not, who is correcting our paper is not knowing, then we can show that in math, this is exactly our limit. If I am going x less than 3 by 5, f of x is giving us minus 5x minus 3, and if we are going, this is x is equal to, if we are going greater than 3 by 5, f of x is coming as 5x minus 3. So if my target is this much, means last work only left is, I will do only one work, I will start that work. So see, first we wrote and now we wrote. Which one is more better defined? This one or that one? This is crystal clear, na? The teacher will be knowing that the student is having the entire information about models. Understood? So if any type of questions are coming like this, see, a question, you will allow question paper to get over you, means the question paper will kill you. Understood? So you have to rotate the examination. 3 hours either you will write or 3 hours either question paper will write. Understood or not? Because your content should be pakka. This is the marks and this is I want. Got it? So now look at it. So first one is 0 to 3 by 5 minus 5x minus 3 less than 10, and here it is coming as 3 by 5 to 1. It is 5x minus 3x. Now the entire story is over. Very carefully do. Just inside you differentiate. Minus you keep as it is. If they would try to prove that they are a very good mathematician, minus means definitely you do mistake. Simple strategy है. Simple strategy is it will become 5x square by 2 minus 3x. Take like this and you write 3 by 5 to 0. That's it. No other way. Understood? Now here plus what you are going to do here? 5x square by 2 minus 3x. This time limit is 1 by this. Now just substitute the value and enjoy your game. The mathematics should be, math should be in your control. First you remember this. Minus I am going to take it out. Now 1 time 3 by 5 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 5 whole square minus 3 into 3 by 5. Done? Now 0 multiplying means everything will become 0. So with the, you just write here minus. Done? Let's start over. Now here, 1 time you write 1, so it will become 5 by 2 minus 3. Now minus 3 by 5. So here it will become 5 by 2 into 3 by 5 whole square minus 3 into 3 by 5. Outside bracket don't forget to get, otherwise plus minus mistake will. I hope you might have understood. Kushmita, did you got the answer? Please say. Say what it is coming. 5 into 9 by 2 into 25 minus 9 by 5. 5 plus that is coming as 5 minus 6 by 2. LCM I think. How much will come? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus. Here it will come as same story here also. Same story there also because content is same. So what we are going to get? 5 by 2 into 9 by 25 minus 6 by 5. Okay. Anything from here you can see? See the answer? Minus? Check next. All my name is Gautam. All your name is Gautam or one name is Gautam. Check this. Your name is mistake. Answer is coming as 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. 9 by 5 minus 9 by 10. 9 by 5, 9 by 5 minus 9 by 10 is there. Okay. Then here minus 1 by 2 is there. This section you solve and check what that is. It will come 9 by 10. Minus into minus will become plus 1. Here it is coming 9 minus 18 is minus 8. Check this one. Huh? 9 by 10 minus 9 by 5. There minus is there. You forgot this minus. Here minus, here minus, here minus. Huh? It will come. So it will come what? Minus into minus will come. Minus 9 minus 18 will become what? Minus 9 by 10. So minus into minus will become plus 9 by 10 minus 1 by 10. You multiply here and then minus, again minus plus 9 by 10. So it will come 18 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Multiply it with 5. Shortest. So 18 minus 5 by 10. That is 13 by 10. And that's what I was asking. Yes. Krishnika, I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. So I'm having another one more class. Shall we go for next question, please? Huh? Okay, fine. That's it. I'm having another class. See, grade 11 is also there now. Tomorrow I'm going to teach. Full day I'm going to be with you. I'm coming, I told you. See, what I'll do is, first I will give you a revision. I don't know what you people are going to do. I have no idea. If I go there means maybe full day I'll stay.